new notification shows up on a lot of Indian AdSense, and they're wondering what it says. To avoid any delays on your payouts, just make sure to add Singapore task. After clicking on that notification, you will end up here, manage your tax info, and your tax to start your tax info for Singapore. So click on this icon and then click here, and then you will relationship with Google based on the information in your payment payouts. So this is the page that you will end up here. Start this tax information. You have to fill all of the form. Let's start from the beginning. So let's start our form with business info. What's your business type? It means your AdSense, if it's a business or corporation or individual. Mine is individual, so I'm going to choose individual. Then scroll down and till you end up by the second question, which says, do you have a payment establishment in Singapore? No, I don't have. And then, are you registered to Singapore Goods and Services? If you are not registered, just click on no, as I did. This is optional, so just leave it empty. Are you eligible for tax exemptions? Yes. Now, once you put yes, it needs a tax residency, your PAN card, your car license, anything that you started, you're creating your AdSense account. So just upload the file and just take a screenshot. No, just take photos of your PAN card or license and upload them here, proof of tax residency, and then if it has expiration date, just put it. If it's not, just click on no and submit. Within minutes, you will see that your tax information for Singapore has been accepted and succeeded. And it is so important to do it, guys, because if you don't do that, you will your payments on AdSense will delay for a long time, even 6 months. A lot of people just suffering from that. So don't forget to subscribe my channel for more info like that.